Nigeria currently has the highest number of malnutrition cases in Africa and the second highest globally. This is as a result of low agricultural produce and the underdevelopment affecting this sector. There is also an alarming increase in cases of stunted growth and other diet-related diseases in the country. Now, the federal government is prompting a dialogue on pathways to transformation of food systems in Nigeria to address this challenge. Moyo Thomas reports.
So far, 39 dialogues such as this have been held, 25 of which was prompted and organized by the federal government since inception dialogue held in February 2021. The various dialogues acknowledges that food systems in Nigeria are fragile, inequitable, and needs improvement to function optimally. This meeting is a consolidation of all the dialogues to create a roadmap and strengthen foundation effort aimed at attaining sustainable food security in Nigeria. Climate change, insecurity, and the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly affected food security in Nigeria, making it harder for the country to meet the global deadline of the Sustainable Development Goals, more so impeding national development.
Nigeria today consumes roughly about 1.4 million metric tons of sugar, and 99% of this sugar is imported into the country from Brazil, and currently Nigeria spends nothing less than $700 million on the importation, mostly because we don't have the value chain. A good example is if we have the opportunity to be able to achieve this value chain, Nigeria today, having this quantity, will be able to have easily employed nothing less than 200,000 people to be able to produce this 1.4 million metric tons of sugar.
So there is no question at all that a prolific and sustainable food system is critical to our nation's human capital development. So our food system must be resilient enough to significantly impact nutrition security, and our collective efforts must reduce the malnutrition numbers. We must realize that defining bold steps to improve food systems and by extension food security ensures that children have improved health and early development.
Vice President YEMI OSINBAJO also presented Nigeria Food Systems Mapping Report. According to Governor Ben AYADE, funding and knowledge is needed to boost food systems in Nigeria. He also gave some recommendations.
If you're a sitting governor and your wage bill is 3.6 billion and you get 2 billion from federal allocation, it will be difficult for you to fund agriculture by way of provision of land clearing, provision of inputs, which will lead to food sufficiency. And so essentially the cascading steps towards the achievement or attainment of the food systems that we dream to achieve is a function of funding. And so where the funding is not there, the ideas are there, the solutions are there, the papers are washed with all the solutions. But the solutions require funding.
Nigeria is one of the 44 countries in Africa and 137 countries in the world holding the United Nations Food Systems Dialogues, tailored according to local needs and prefer homegrown solutions. With the challenges highlighted, it is important for state and other subnationals to start seeking options to addressing these challenges of food security in the country. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.